1. 1987 Chevrolet El Camino. Price $4,500. Located in Lake Villa, Illinois. This 1987 Chevrolet El Camino is a solid example of a late-generation classic utility coupe, combining the practicality of a pickup with the styling of a vintage muscle car. Finished in a clean blue exterior with matching blue interior, this vehicle stands out with its unique design and well-preserved condition. Originally a California car, it has remained rust-free throughout its life, making it a strong candidate for restoration or customization. Under the hood, it comes equipped with a 350 crate engine that has recently received a valve job. The engine runs, but it currently requires a radiator to be fully road-ready. Being sold as a roller, this El Camino offers a great opportunity for enthusiasts who want to complete a project with a strong foundation. The automatic transmission setup provides ease of driving once fully sorted. The body is straight and clean, showing no major damage, and it carries a clean title for peace of mind. With low reported mileage and a solid structure, this vehicle presents excellent value for its price range. It is ideal for collectors, builders, or anyone looking to own a classic Chevrolet with strong potential and timeless appeal. 2. 1979 Chevrolet Malibu Classic. Price $11,000. Located in Beech Grove, Indiana. This 1979 Chevrolet Malibu Classic is a vintage American coupe that offers a great foundation for restoration or customization. Finished in a blue exterior with a contrasting black interior, the car presents a classic late 70s look that still holds strong appeal among collectors and enthusiasts. With approximately 50,000 miles, it reflects moderate use for its age and still maintains much of its original charm. Powered by a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, the vehicle is currently running and starting thanks to a recently installed starter. However, it does require some attention, including a replacement for the driver's side window and addressing a worn section in the flywheel. Despite these minor issues, the car remains a functional project with good potential. The overall body condition is decent, though it would benefit from a thorough cleaning and cosmetic refresh. The wheels shown are not included, but a replacement set will be provided. This Malibu is best suited for buyers looking for a project car or a trade opportunity, with flexibility offered by the seller for various exchanges depending on interest. 3. 1966 Ford Galaxy 500XL. Price $8,500. Located in Chicago, Illinois. This 1966 Ford Galaxy 500XL convertible is a true survivor from the golden era of full-size American classics. Finished in a bold orange exterior, the car carries a strong visual presence while maintaining its original character. The body remains solid overall, with only minor dings consistent with age, and the frame is reported to be in good condition, providing a sturdy foundation for continued enjoyment or light restoration. Under the hood sits a 390 engine that runs smoothly when supplied with fuel or starting fluid, paired with an automatic transmission. The vehicle currently needs a gas tank, making it a straightforward project for someone looking to bring a classic convertible fully back to life. A brand new battery has already been installed, ensuring reliable starting once the fuel system is addressed. The interior is in decent shape overall, with room for improvement such as a new dash pad and updated carpet in the future. The convertible top is in good condition with only a small tear. This Galaxy is not a show car, but it offers strong potential as a stylish weekend cruiser or restoration project. 4. 1978 Mercury Cougar XR7 Coupe. Price $7,500. Located in North Olmsted, Ohio. This 1978 Mercury Cougar XR7 Coupe is a well-preserved classic that delivers comfort, style, and reliable performance. With only 49,000 miles and just 2 owners since new, this car has been carefully maintained over the years. The red exterior pairs nicely with an off-white interior, giving it a timeless and elegant appearance that stands out among classic coupes. The car runs and drives very well, supported by a recently rebuilt transmission and numerous new components including a starter, brakes, shocks, and a fresh set of tires. It features a wide range of factory options such as power steering, power brakes, power seats, power trunk, power door locks, cruise control, and a functioning sunroof. The air conditioning and original audio system are also reported to be in working condition. With only minimal rust and strong mechanical condition, this Cougar is an excellent choice for collectors or anyone seeking a dependable classic cruiser with vintage luxury features and smooth driving characteristics. 5. 1974 Chevrolet Malibu Classic. Price $7,000. Located in Batesville, Indiana. This 1974 Chevrolet Malibu Classic, configured as an El Camino-style vehicle, offers a solid combination of utility and classic muscle appeal. Powered by a 350 small block engine, the car runs and drives smoothly, delivering reliable performance for everyday cruising or weekend enjoyment. The automatic transmission shifts well, making it an easy and comfortable vehicle to operate. The body is straight and the frame is solid, showing good structural integrity. While the bed area has some surface rust, it remains in usable condition. The hood has had previous bodywork that has aged over time, but it does not detract significantly from the overall usability of the vehicle. Several updates have been completed, including new rims and tires, rebuilt carburetor, and replacement components such as the steering wheel, gas gauge, window cranks, headlights, floor mats, and turn signal indicator. All lights are functioning properly. This Malibu is a practical and affordable entry into classic car ownership with both style and versatility. 6. 1970 Cadillac Coupe de Ville. Price $10,900. Located in Howell, Michigan. This 1970 Cadillac Coupe de Ville is a true representation of classic American luxury, offering a smooth and comfortable ride with timeless styling. Finished in a clean white exterior paired with a green interior, the car delivers an elegant and distinctive appearance that stands out on the road. With its long body lines and signature design, it captures the essence of full-size luxury vehicles from its era. Powered by a 472 V8 engine and paired with an automatic transmission, this Cadillac runs and drives well, providing the soft and floating ride quality it is known for. Recent maintenance includes new tires and brakes, ensuring improved safety and drivability. The vehicle is also equipped with power seats, power windows, and power door locks, along with features such as delay wipers and an AM stereo system. With a clean title and no significant issues reported, this Coupe de Ville is a great option for collectors or enthusiasts seeking a comfortable and stylish classic. It offers a blend of originality and usability, making it suitable for weekend drives or car show appearances. 7. 1979 Chevrolet Malibu Classic. Price $10,000. Located in Tompkinsville, Kentucky. This 1979 Chevrolet Malibu Classic is a well-kept vintage sedan that has remained in the same family since new, adding a layer of history and sentimental value. Finished in a brown exterior, the car maintains a classic and understated look that reflects its era. With a reported 125,000 miles, it has been driven but continues to run and drive reliably. Equipped with a 305 engine and automatic transmission, the vehicle delivers steady performance for everyday cruising. While it is functional, it will require some attention, particularly to the driver's side door, which needs repair. Despite this, the car remains a solid candidate for restoration or continued use as a project vehicle. Additional features include a set of rally wheels that come with the car, enhancing its classic appearance. This Malibu offers a good balance between originality and potential, making it a suitable choice for buyers looking for a vintage Chevrolet with room for improvement and personalization. 8. 1974 Chevrolet Nova. Price $11,500. Located in Sparta, Tennessee. This 1974 Chevrolet Nova is a strong running classic that leans toward a hot rod style build rather than a show car. Finished in blue with a matching blue interior, it presents a cohesive and bold look that appeals to enthusiasts who appreciate vintage performance cars. While it does have some rust, the overall structure remains fairly solid, making it a practical driver. Under the hood sits a 350 engine paired with a Muncie 4-speed manual transmission and a 411 rear setup, delivering impressive performance and an engaging driving experience. The car fires up reliably and runs well, ready for the road. It has also been upgraded with disc brakes, improving stopping power and safety. Recent updates include a new fuel tank, replacement low back front seats, a rear seat installation, and a refreshed headliner. This Nova is ideal for someone looking for a fun and affordable classic with strong mechanical performance and the character of a true old-school hot rod. 9. 1978 Buick Regal Limited Coupe. Price $10,000. Located in Cincinnati, Ohio. This 1978 Buick Regal Limited Coupe is a heavily modified classic that blends vintage styling with serious performance upgrades. Finished in a rich burgundy exterior with a tan interior, the car maintains its original luxury appearance while hiding a powerful build underneath. This is not a stock vehicle, but rather a performance-oriented machine designed for enthusiasts who appreciate speed and customization. Under the hood sits a freshly built 383-stroker engine paired with a TH400 automatic transmission that has been recently rebuilt and includes a trans brake system. With only minimal miles since completion, the drivetrain is in excellent condition. Additional performance features include a 3200 stall converter, aluminum heads, MSD ignition system, electric water pump, and a 750 carburetor. The rear end has also been rebuilt with 410 gears, supported by a ladder bar setup and anti-roll bar for improved traction. The car is further equipped with power steering, power windows, power locks, disc brakes, and a modern Bluetooth radio. This Regal is ideal for buyers seeking a powerful street and strip-capable classic with extensive upgrades and unique character. 10. 1982 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme. Price $2,500. Located in Gravette, Arkansas. This 1982 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme is a budget-friendly project car with solid potential for restoration. Finished in a brown exterior with an off-white interior, the vehicle reflects its age but still holds the classic styling that made the Cutlass a popular choice in its time. Having been off the road for many years, it offers an opportunity for enthusiasts looking to bring a vintage car back to life. Powered by a 3.8 V6 engine paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission, the car has been brought back to running condition and has been driven short distances. However, it will require additional work to be fully roadworthy. The floorboards show signs of rust, while the overall body remains relatively solid for a vehicle of this age. This Cutlass is best suited as a project for someone with mechanical experience or a passion for restoration. With a low entry price and classic appeal, it presents a great starting point for building a personalized vintage vehicle.